2018 Ford EcoSport. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.